Hi everybody, Matt back with you. I've got a weird outfit on which probably suggests you know what. Time for a swim in a minute. But I've come to do it in one of my most beautiful locations, I think. Not come here too often, but I'm in the woods at Charlestown. Just have a look at this beautiful spot. Hang on. So I have the river running through a little valley. These huge rocks brought down the river, and then there's something quite pleasant to find at the top. Right, okay, let's start the climb. Things we can show you include a little cave here, very big, but enough to hide in. Some little waterfalls underneath rocks. As we get further up, we'll be able to see there's a waterfall ahead. Look at that. Beautiful. So because it is quite a sunny day, what you can see is quite how deep this is. That stick there is almost like a spoon going into the water. There's also a very handy rock here, and you'll notice I even see the bottom, so this is one you do have to be careful in. Just walk pictures. Okay, so I don't want to suddenly sink very quickly whilst I'm on film. You can see why I love this spot now. See you soon.